Look what we have that's brand new from Hunkydory. Now, each of these kits is called Diamond Sparkles. And what is wonderful, in fact, we'll get in closer so you can see. This is cardstock. It's an A4 size. Look at that. I can rub it and nothing, absolutely nothing is coming off. And it gives a beautiful luster. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, obviously, this is the silver. Let me show you each one. Here is gold. Now, let me show you the purple lavender. Oh, so pretty. And we have rose pink. So you can see how that's pinker than the lavender. We also have midnight black. And now what is good about the black is because it is a saturated black, it's kind of like our black suede. And things are really going to pop against it. So even though you may not see a whole lot of shimmer and shine, it's still there, but product and different items are going to look beautiful on it. So we've got the midnight black. This is the ruby red. And we have the sapphire blue. Ooh, isn't that pretty? And let me see, the emerald green. Very gorgeous. And we have a sky blue. And then we also have a jade green. So you can see all of those. Now, every single package has 10 sheets in it. And I think the price is really wonderful. So we've got plenty in stock, and I hope you're going to enjoy these. By the way, it is a 200 GSM card weight. Now, that means you can make boxes out of it. You can make stand-up cards, all kinds of things. It's going to be perfect, as well as for your regular card making and scrapbooking. Brand new from our friends at Hunkydory.